right, so today we are going to be talking AirPods, whether you have AirPods Generation 1 or 2, or AirPods Generation 3 or higher. I'm going to show you a simple trick that I thought a lot of people know, but when I was sharing this with a few friends over the weekend, I was surprised how few actually realized this, and that is being able to locate your AirPods. So let's go ahead and we will start with our AirPods first generation or second generation AirPod. Now, if you have an AirPod that's out of the case, like this one, there's a really easy way that you can locate it. And that is going to be using the Find My app. So I can see right here in my list of devices, my AirPods are less than 0 miles away. So that tells me that they're somewhere inside my home. Now, if I want to play a sound, like maybe I have one AirPod that fell out, I'm not sure where it is, I can select the button that says play sound. Now, what happens if both of the AirPods are inside the case, but the case is gone? There's really not a lot that you can do other than just trying to click the directions and locate those AirPods in your house. It's a little bit challenging to do that, but that's if you have an older set of AirPods. Now let's go ahead and take a look at Generation 3 or higher. So as you can see, these are AirPods Pro. So now it has all of those same features, such as being able to play a sound if they're out. But the nice thing that it now has is that option to find your AirPods if they are inside a case. So to do this, I'm just going to select Find. And in a few minutes, it is going to search for the signal. So this is great. If you have your AirPod case, you maybe left it in the car or maybe left it inside your gym bag, inside the car, you're looking all over your house, you have no idea where it is, but you turn this on, you look around and you can move around your house. Yep, it was correct. My AirPods were right in front of me, so something that's really helpful. Now, let's go back to that scenario that I mentioned earlier. Your AirPods are inside your gym bag, inside the trunk of your car. You're inside your house now, and as I walk around, you can see that it's letting me know, nope, the AirPods are not close. You better start moving around your house. And when you get close, this will change and let you know that your AirPods are now close. Okay, I'm getting closer, 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 and I am right there. My AirPods are within reach. So hopefully this video will help you whether you have the older version of AirPods, Generation 1 or 2, or you have AirPods Pro, Generation 3 or higher. A few different ways that you can help locate and find those lost AirPods inside your house or somewhere else, because it can be extremely annoying when you can't find them. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions on AirPods, please leave them in the comments section below, and have a great day.